Badai juk teknologi Upi wajah berkat bitan
Istakane kajuk hantia Penking klapen kenjano kahaba na po Mbatia basyong Itig lapi bontek samla Por medro khat arshi baje Kapor medro la syak kateka kot kakya Nula keste Ikam ke jam roben ki basapep
I think he's the dad. Now I got it. They're couple. I think they are.
Langa kumtan Bakwa ngatang bambarnya Shania hanga Watananga Lamanga keradan lompa.
Yes, what's up everyone? Meghalaya, Shillong. Welcome back everyone. And today we are back with another suggested reaction video, guys. Can you hear me? Yo. So today we are going to check a music video by the title Kpa U Bah. Kpa U Bah. What does it mean, guys? So we are reacting from K.B.D production team, guys. Let's do it. Make sure to subscribe, join the African family, guys. Let's do it. K.B.D production. This is my first time reacting to those people. So let's see what they got for us. Directed by Khasi. Kpa U Bah. There is no subtitle, guys. Let's just go with the vibe. The music. The beat. Hey. I think the one who's singing is like the mom. Mobile. Also they say mobile in
Janon sebayan syun api badeng thak badeng pebri penjata chua ngahangi pergi pentanda chua ngala kajabeng asi keklam baka kidang kinletrei sitam ngaman kasni dei bait baburam ngalapi
ndakumnan pangan syanya naka mobile pila dem ngabang yebnya laha insta laha fb men pana ngawalan bapi follow bapi at text ben kikan thay bapi at friend.
Ani kuai ko kumai kathai lamit pitang tharais neu nanga habaki khelas dang samla nupas tang biang na asina a laki kin thai ne kishin rang baron tia lam ki hentan.
Okay guys, see, up to now I'm a little confused. Like I can't get the difference between two of them. Are they like couples or someone with his mom, guys? Just let me know this because there is no subtitle. I'm trying to understand it, like, but still not getting, guys, up to now. So
badai kajuk teknologi upi wajah berkat bitan
Istakane kajuk hantia Penking klapen kenjano kahaba na po Mbatia basyong Itig lapi bontek samla Por medro khat arshi baje Kapor medro la syak kateka kot kakya Nula keste Ikam ke jam roben ki basapep
I think he's the dad. Now I got it. They're couple. I think they are.
Langa kumtan Bakwa ngatang bambarnya Shania hanga Watananga Lamanga keradan lompa Napi men kemai Benga hakman Kamu bailnya brenda shwa
Thanks for watching. See his expression was crazy, guys. I think they are couples and they are having issue for mobile. You know, nowadays like mobile is most destructive. And also in Khasi, you people in Khasi, mobile, you say mobile. In Arabic, we say also mobile, guys. We say also telephone. Arabic mobile or telephone. They are also saying here mobile, guys. So I can get like their couples, and the guy is always busy on the phone. And it's kind of like comedy music video, guys. So it's my first time reacting to this team. So nice, but there is no subtitle. And just let me know what is the main story behind this music video, guys. Thank you so much for suggesting this music video. Till next time. Tata.